All right, what is going on, Coaster Crew fans? We are back here at SeaWorld Orlando. Going to give you guys another construction update on the new rumored coaster going in right on the lakefront. Oh, looks like the observation tower is now up and running. Maybe we'll take a trip up there, give you guys a look from the sky. So let's go ahead and see how progression on the construction site has come along.
Willie gonna jump over it.
Our teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, zoological facilities, and others to rescue and help animals in need of our care, always with the goal of rehabilitating them and returning them to the wild.
I might not ride Vortex or Carowinds every I rode the crap out of Mantis. But like Georgia Scorcher, Riddler, Revenge, I'll ride the crap out of those. Even Green Lantern, I'll ride once.
We are on a mission to protect marine life and the oceans they call home. Your visit is a chance for you to play a
All I do is
part
I just
in
stand like
protecting
this,
our
that way you can
planet.
absorb the
Each
cushion,
ticket
and
and
you're good to
each
go.
experience helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts. Habitat
All right, we've made our way over to the bridge that connects the front of the park to the back of the park. And it is a great sight of the whole construction area. Right now there's just lots of dirt being moved around. Not much going on, but lots of trees have come down. Lots of land clearings, so this thing could be really big. All right, that wraps up our latest construction update from SeaWorld Orlando. If you like what you saw, just click that subscribe button, click that bell for future notifications on future videos, and of course, like us on all of our other social media at Coaster Crew for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And we'll see you guys real soon.